everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. My name is Chelsea if you're new. Today we're going to do a basic plan with me for the week of November 30th through December 5th, the first week of December, in my Recollections Planner using the Gingerhouse Weekly Kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you'd like to see me lay down the base or want to see full details of this kit, make sure to check out the links down below. That will have the base layout as well as the link to the haul and the weekly kit itself. So let's go ahead and get to planning. Hey guys, I just went to sit down and film this plan with me and realized that these two are in the wrong place. Yeah, and I didn't even realize that when I did my base plan with me. So this goes up on Monday and the base plan with me just went up a few days before on Friday. So yeah, if you noticed it in my for base layout Friday, if you watch my base layout, comment down below. Did you notice this? Were you not screaming going, Chelsea, hello, they're in the wrong place? Oh, and I just want to address something really quick. When I do my memory plan, every night I go through each day, so that's why my nails might look different every time. Yeah, I'm not a professional, but I'll get there. But anyways, yeah, I just noticed that. But I'm going to treat this as if they were in the right spot. Because yeah. Comment down below if you noticed this on Friday. Happy Monday, guys. Alright guys, here's a quick before the pen, and yeah, I'm loving it. Like I said, I mentioned there's this, but I'm just going to pretend it's the opposite. Yeah. I'm starting to wonder if I did that with any of the other ones. But anyways, let's go ahead and fill things out. Alright guys, this is the final look for my pre-plan. Unfortunately, I thought I could have sworn that I recorded this, but apparently I didn't. I do have my daughter at home. I do this a week ahead, and it's just very busy here. So here is the final look. Make sure to stay tuned. I'll have a plan. You can say hi?
Say hi!
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe to Mommy's channel. Just very busy, very loud, and
Wish.
she wants more veggie straws. I've already filled up a whole thing, but all she wants to do is eat the orange ones. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to stay tuned. Next Wednesday on the 9th will be my memory spread, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram because I do post the countdown as well as just sneak peeks and stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out all the links down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Happy Monday, guys. See you then.